Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify advertising costs with Google Ads easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify advertising costs with Google Ads, first, log into your Google Ads account. Once logged in, navigate to the campaign dashboard. Select the campaign you want to verify. Click on the Campaigns tab at the left sidebar. Here, you will see an overview of your selected campaign's performance. Now, locate the cost column in the main dashboard. If the cost column is not visible, click on the columns icon, which looks like 3 vertical bars. From there, choose Modify Columns. In the menu, select Performance. Check the box next to Cost to click on Apply to save changes. Now, you will see your advertising costs for the selected campaign. To get more details, click on Ad Groups under the selected campaign. This will break down your costs by individual ad groups. Review the costs to ensure they match your expectations. If you want to view costs at a more granular level, click on Ads and Extensions. Here, you can see analyze which ads are performing well and which may need adjustments. For more detailed reporting, go to the Reports section in the left sidebar. You can customize your reports to include specific metrics related to cost. Use the filters available to narrow down the date range for precise cost analysis. Once you have configured your report, click Apply. This will generate a detailed overview of your advertising costs during the specified period. To save this report for future use, click on Save As and name your report. You can revisit this report anytime to verify your advertising costs. By following these steps, you will successfully verify your advertising costs in Google Ads effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.